Good morning, everyone. Today we are starting with chapter number 7, Events Programming with Scratch. What is event? First of all, you have to understand this in this chapter. Event means any action which you will perform on your screen is called as event. Even if you are moving a mouse on the screen, or if you are clicking on the left, you are doing the left click or right click from your mouse, or you are pressing a key from your keyboard. So anything which you are doing on your screen, maybe you are not pressing anything, you are just moving a mouse on the screen. So that is called as event. So every action which takes place with the help of user, if user is performing some action on the screen, that is called as event. Now, in the Scratch, we can perform some activities on the basis of event. Like if I'll press the flag, nothing will happen. But once I'll click on the sprite will start speaking. Or maybe once I'll click on the sprite will start moving. And till the time I will not click on the sprite, sprite will remain still at its position. So if something is happening like this, like once you are clicking or once you are triggering a event, triggering means start karna. Once you are triggering a event, then only a action will be performed. So this type of programming is called as event programming, जो सिर्फ तभी होती है जब आप कोई इवेंट को एक्टिवेट करते हो, इवेंट को ट्रिगर करते हो. कोई भी इवेंट हो सकता है, वो हो सकता है माउस क्लिक इवेंट हो सकता है, वो की स्ट्रोक प्रेस इवेंट हो सकता है. सपोज आपने अपनी कीबोर्ड से कोडिंग में हमने लिखा था कि टिल द टाइम यूजर विल नॉट प्रेस एस की फ्रॉम द कीबोर्ड, nothing will happen on the screen. S for start. ठीक है. So once the user will press S key from the keyboard, then only this animation will start. ठीक है. तो this is called as event programming, जो अपने आप कुछ भी एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होता है. सो वंस यू विल ट्रिगर a event, once you will activate a event, then only something will happen on your screen. So this type of programming is called as event programming. Now, events, I have already explained what are the different types of events. It could be a mouse click, it could be a mouse movement, it could be a keystroke from your keyboard. So it can be anything. ठीक है. अब इवेंट्स ब्लॉक कौन सा होता है? वी हैव अ इवेंट ब्लॉक इन आवर स्क्रैच विंडो with orange color, which can sense different types of events. And these are the different types of events. So first event is when flag is clicked. So this is a event. When flag is clicked, then only something will happen. When space bar key is pressed from the keyboard, then only something will happen. When sprite will be clicked, then only something will happen. When background switches to background 1, the background change hoga, then only something will happen. So these are the different types of events which you can add into your animations. Okay, okay. Now we are going to create a project today, in which we will add a sprite which will do something only once the sprite will be clicked. Okay, so let's start with this project. See, this is also an event. So once I'll click on the scratch icon, then only scratch will open. It will not open automatically. So this is also an event. So in Windows also, all these are the event programming. जब आप किसी बटन पे क्लिक करते हो तभी कोई एक्शन परफॉर्म होता है, that application will open. So this is also an event programming. Okay, now let's create a scene, aquarium scene. I am going to change the background first. Hmm. Okay, now I'm going to add two different sprites. Let's add only one sprite first. So I have added an octopus. Okay, now what will happen? So I'll go to event and I'll choose when this sprite will be clicked. When somebody will click on this octopus, then what will happen? Then this octopus should change the costume. So costume of the octopus should get changed. ठीक है? And let's check how many costumes this octopus is having. So total 5 costumes this octopus is having. So this is the second one. Second one ka I am going to change the color. So I'll click on this bucket tool and I'll choose a color. I will give a yellow color to this octopus. Okay. So and the third one is drinking tea. So already this octopus is doing some activity. You can change the color again if you want. So this time I will take this green color. Okay. Now this is a fourth one and this is a fifth one. Okay. So every time we are clicking on an octopus, it is changing its costume. Next thing is I wanted to increase the size also. So change size by 10. Let's check now. It can also say a message. It can say something like, hello. Hello, I am an octopus. I am an Hi, I am an octopus. Right? You can also record your voice and you can add in a musical way. Let's record. Hello, I'm an octopus. Okay. I think I have not pressed on the key to save it. Let's record it one more time. Hello, I'm an octopus. Stop recording, save it, and check it. Choose recording one. You can post this message before. Okay, let's check now. Go. If I'll click on this flag, now nothing will happen because I have to click on this octopus. Hello, I'm an octopus. And I want that this sound should uh, start only. Until done, I don't want to get it done till the last one. So start sound recording one, change size, next costume, and it should display a message. Let's try it one more time.
Hello, I'm an octopus.
Right? Like this. And now we can add one more animal. So this time I'm taking fish. There is a song of a, this is a shark. There is a song for kids, baby shark song. So we can record that. You can record it in your voice and then you can add. So let's go to events block first. When this sprite will be clicked, when somebody will click on this shark, then what will happen? Then this shark will change the size first. So we will go to looks and change size, change costume. Let's check how many costumes we have for the shark. We have three different costumes. We can change the color of the next shark, and the third one also. Let's make it pink. Okay, next costume, and then hello, I am baby shark. Now you can add your own voice also. Record baby shark do 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 do, and you can add it now. Choose your own recording from here. Let's check now. Click on the shark.
Baby shark do 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 do.
Clear? Like this, you can perform an action by clicking on something. So this type of programming is called as event programming, which will perform an action only once you will click on that, click according to the requirement. For example, like we have given in written in the coding, when something will happen only once this sprite will be clicked. So it will perform action only once the somebody will click on the sprite. Otherwise, nothing is going to happen on the screen. I hope it is clear to everyone what is event programming.